Do you often suffer from a stuffy nose or a stuffy throat? Sometimes this problem is caused by a cold, sometimes by allergies, and sometimes simply by the change of weather. That feeling of heaviness and suffocation is really annoying, isn't it? But don't worry. Today I have a great natural recipe for you. Just 1 spoonful of this home remedy, and you will see that the mucus will start to clear and your throat will also feel soothed. So stay with me until the end, because I will not only tell you this simple recipe, but also tell you what is the best way to use it. And by the way, I'd love to know, which city are you watching this from? Leave it in the comments below. And subscribe to my channel. Mucus buildup is a very common problem. Whether it's in your lungs, throat, sinuses, or nose, it's always very annoying. Over-the-counter medications often don't make much of a difference. Most people are given antibiotics or steroids repeatedly to help clear up the mucus, but these medications can be very harmful if taken repeatedly, so they have a negative impact on gut health, immunity, and overall health. But the good news is that we have natural recipes that really clear mucus very well. And today, I am going to share with you one such special recipe, which can not only be easily made at home, but is also very powerful and effective. It will soothe your throat, relieve cough, and also clear mucus easily. So let's get started. First, I'll tell you about the ingredients of this drink and how they help improve your health. Then finally, I'll tell you exactly how to make and use this drink. The first ingredient on this list is Manuka honey. Now, honey is perfect for this drink. Anyway, because it has anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial effects that help fight any bacterial infections. At the same time, it soothes your throat and loosens the mucus that is clogging your throat and sinuses. But I specifically mentioned Manuka honey here. The reason is that research has proven that this honey has the highest antibacterial properties. It is also antiviral, meaning if you have a viral or bacterial infection, it is very effective for both. What makes Manuka honey special is that it contains a compound called MgO, or methyl glyoxal. According to research, this compound makes it the most anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. So if you have Manuka honey available, definitely use it. And if not, at least try using wildflower honey to get the most benefits. Next ingredient is ginger. I call ginger the mucus blaster because it contains a special compound called gingerols. It's a natural decongestant, meaning it's great at breaking up and thinning mucus. Whether it's stubborn mucus or thick mucus that's stuck in your throat or sinuses, ginger loosens it up so your body can easily expel it. Ginger also has great anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in your body and strengthen the immune system so that it can better fight all kinds of infections. Now let's move on to the next ingredient, and that is black pepper. This is the hidden gem of this recipe. Black pepper increases blood flow to your nasal passages, which helps clear mucus from there more easily. Black pepper also enhances the benefits of ginger and the other ingredients, as it improves their absorption in your digestive system. The last ingredient on this list is lemon juice. Lemon juice is naturally high in vitamin C. And do you know what vitamin C does? It strengthens your body's immune system. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and antiviral properties. Most of the mucus that our bodies produce is either due to inflammation caused by allergies and pollen or due to a viral infection. And since lemon is high in vitamin C, it targets both of these conditions. That's why it helps you a lot in eliminating mucus. So these were all the ingredients of this recipe. You see that each ingredient is helping to remove mucus from your body and improve your health in its own way. Now, the question is how to best prepare this recipe and how to use it. Let's get started. You can use this recipe in 2 ways. First method, by spoon. For this, take 1 spoon of Manuka honey. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder or fresh ginger juice to it. Then add a pinch of black pepper and a few drops of lemon juice to it. This is your 1-spoon recipe. Second method. As a drink, take a cup of lukewarm water. Add 1/4 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or ginger powder to it. Then add a pinch of black pepper and a few drops of lemon juice. Finally, add a tablespoon of pure honey. Remember not to let this drink boil because if you boil it, its vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants will be lost. If you drink this drink lukewarm, it will not only soothe your throat but also clear mucus quickly. So here are 2 ways to consume this drink, either as a spoonful or in a cup of lukewarm water. Now the question is, when should you drink it? To get the most benefit, it is best to take this recipe twice a day. First time in the morning. As soon as you wake up, thick mucus accumulates in your throat and sinuses. So drinking this recipe at that time will loosen that mucus, soothe your throat, and make it easier to breathe the second time at night before going to bed. Because at night, the mucus starts to clot again. And if you drink this recipe before going to bed, not only will you sleep better, but the mucus will also start to come out easily. Use this recipe for a few days, and you will feel that the mucus is disappearing, breathing is easier, and the tightness in the throat has also improved considerably. So now you know this simple and powerful natural remedy to clear mucus and soothe your throat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit from it. And of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming natural health videos. Now, I would love to hear from you. What should I cover in my next video? Do you want me to share a home remedy for cough, sinus, or maybe digestion? Drop your suggestion in the comments below because I read every single one, and your idea could be the next video on this channel. Thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.